2021 Volkswagen Crafter. We've added immobilisation to, and some tracking as well. Just a quick demonstration of how the immobilisation works. So if we get in the vehicle, this is a key start, this one, foot on the brake. You see it's not starting, not allowing this to start. Okay, so you need to put your unique PIN code in. PIN code is programmed when we install the system. We can use a combination of these button pushes on here, over here, to deactivate the immobilisation. And the deactivation is signalled by a flash on the main beam warning light display up on here. So I'll show you how that works. So we've turned the ignition to the on position. We're going to put our code in. We've pressed 4 buttons on this one. So if you watch the dashboard, you see there a flash of the blue warning light, and now the vehicle starts and runs. Okay, so enter your code. Can be up to 20 button pushes, but typically we use 4 or 5. Just a combination of unique button pushes, whatever suits the driver. And then the system arms when you switch the ignition off and open the driver's door. You can see a couple of flashes there again of the main beam warning light. That tells us the system's now armed. So now we jump in, try to start it again as normal, and it won't start. Okay, you need to put your code in. You need to turn the ignition on and put your code in to deactivate the system. Main beam warning light flash, and then we can start. Nice and simple, nice and straightforward, nice and secure.